Are you learning AI for the first time to upskill yourself or to get a 4 year engineering degree and to get a job? It might be a 4 month certification course, even. So, if you are learning AI for the first time, as soon as you got the syllabus in hand, the first doubt that you might have got is why should I learn data science before learning artificial intelligence? They told that AI is all about mimicking human intelligence, but I'm learning all about data. I'm learning about data cleaning, I'm learning about machine learning algorithms that helps data science. I'm not learning everything about AI. As soon as I started learning AI, why am I doing this? What is the need for learning data science even before starting AI? If you got this doubt, this video is definitely going to help you out in clarifying that doubt. Now, listen carefully. Before learning, why should I learn data science for artificial intelligence? You should definitely know how it is related to artificial intelligence, how data science and artificial intelligence are related. Let me give you one example. If you are a person who used to watch movies from Netflix and used to watch series from Netflix, so, before watching those movies and watching those series, what is the first step that you did? You logged in into that account. For the first time, you signed up. What is the first step that you took? I mean, I'm asking about the baby step. The first step that you did is you gave your contact number or mail ID for verification. And after you shared your contact number with Netflix, they shared an OTP to verify that is you and you are unique among this world, isn't it? So the first step is collecting your data. After they collected the unique ID, will you directly go and watch videos based on suggestions? No, you'll definitely be using that search bar to search movies that is giving curiosity, right? You might be a person who love horror movies. You might be a person who love romantic movies. You might be a person who love thriller movies. So based on your interest, you searched for it and you got what you want. So if it happened for 1 week continuously, so what are all the data that they have in hand for business? Your unique ID, the contact number, your name. Along with that, based on your interest, what you searched. In addition to that, you might have got some recommendations based on what you searched for, right? So, what and all videos that you clicked and watched. So, these are all the data that they have in hand now. So, the first step is data collection. Based on all the data collected, now Netflix knows very clearly who you are, in which kind of movies that you are interested in. So, after 1 week, if you go back to Netflix, and you might have seen that the movies that you are interested in are being recommended, right? How it is happening because you search for something that you are interested in, that data, and based on suggestion you might have watched some movies, that data, and with the help of all those data, now machine learning algorithm at the back end is understanding your interest and it is clarifying if we have those movies of your interest. So they are relating both the data. And after they understood what you want and what they have, they are giving next suggestions. What will happen then? If you see movies that is really creating curiosity, you will watch those movies, right? So for them, that is a business. So if the watch hours get increased, they are getting more paid. That is how the algorithms work. That is how the ML algorithms in the back end make sense. In this case study of Netflix, both data science and artificial intelligence is being applied. But how? Let me make it more easier to understand. So, data science is generally a process of finding an insight from data that can be applied in business to increase the growth of an organization. So, in this, how data science is being used, They collected your data, they know your interest. So they collected an insight. After collecting that insight, with the help of that insight, they are automating a task. Artificial intelligence is about automating a task with the help of ML algorithms and deep learning algorithms. So here, recommendation engine, which is one of the most famous machine learning algorithm that is being used in every social media applications, is also being used here for automating a task of giving suggestions and movies based on your interest, based on the data they collected. So, first, how data science is working here, they know your interest. How artificial intelligence is being used here, they automated a task of recommending movies based on your interest. So, this is why you need to learn data science before learning artificial intelligence to understand what kind of insight we can get from data and to automate a task. We need artificial intelligence there. I believe your doubt got cleared in this video. If you still have doubt, you can definitely comment what are all the doubt that you have in mind.